Since this is my official artist channel, you can tell that I usually post music content. So today we're going to do something very important. We're going to speedrun Bubble Sort. I mean the standard version, not a variant that's technically n squared but isn't actually Bubble Sort. Top right corner timer start when I type the first character. Okay, I'm about to begin. Just a reminder, I'm using C++ for this challenge. Okay, we're using NeoVim today. It's an IDD paired with Coq for auto completion. We're writing this in C++, but we're not using vectors. We're using traditional arrays. This is because we want to finish as fast as possible. I remember writing it like a standard textbook version. To be honest, I haven't really learned this properly in class. Right now, I'm relying on intuition and just trying hard to figure it out. We can only swap neighbors.
I know many people make a mistake right here.
I feel like these parentheses can be omitted. Okay, I think that completes it. Now, let's combine it with our random numbers part. That section doesn't count toward the time. Here's how I approached it. Actually, I'm a bit fuzzy on the details now. To be honest, the timer you see was added by me during editing, so I don't actually know how long I spent on it right now. I just checked and we stopped at approximately 1 minute and 9 seconds. Of course, this isn't an official speedrun, so the difference isn't too significant.
I think the code should be correct.
If you enjoy my channel, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Next time we could tackle a more difficult algorithm speedrun.
Of course, don't try red black trees.
Although that might not be impossible either. If you want to see me grinding LeetCode problems, let me know. Anyway, thanks, please subscribe, like and share. See you next time.